आकाशी झेप घेरे पाखरा, सोडी सोन्याचा पिंजरा. तुझ भवती वैभव माया, फळ रसाळ देती खाया. सुख लोपून झाली काया, हा कुठवर वेड्या घेशी आसरा. Sant Tukaram was a 17th century Hindu Sant. He was born in 1608 in Dehu, Maharashtra in India. He was a devotee of Lord Vithala and he known for his devotional poetry called bhajan. He wrote over 3000 bhajans which are full of love, devotion